Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Stock My Closet. In today's video, I'm sharing detailed method to attach zipper. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll show you how to attach zipper on kurti or dress. So here I have cut out the kurti and also I have cut out the neckline that is 6 inch deep. Total length is 23 inch. You can keep zipper length up to 18 or 19 inch above hip round. So here I'm taking it 17 inch from the top of the shoulder, and from the neckline if I measure it will be 12 inch. I'm using contrast color zipper so that you can see all the steps properly, and I'll mark the same length on the zipper as well. And now I'll cut the kurti from the center till the marking point. Now I have cut the contrast color fabric strip and its length is 2.5 inch more than the marking, and the width I have taken 3 inch. I have pasted paper foam on the back side of the fabric as you can see, and I have folded and ironed the seam allowance of 1/4 inch on both sides, and I'll make stitch on this fold. So I made a stitch and this is how it will look. Now similarly I'll make the stitch on the other side. So I made a stitch and I have folded and ironed the center of the fabric strip. Now I'll attach the fabric strip with the kurti, and for that just place the kurti center cut line with the fabric strip center line, and I'll make 1/4 inch of stitch. At the bottom I'll get the stitch closer to the cut to form V kind of shape. Now turn the fabric and continue the stitch. So I made a stitch and this is how it will look. Now I'll cut it from the center. Cut it till the bottom V as close as you can. Just take care not to cut the thread itself. Now I'll fold this black fabric towards the back side of the kurti. Just keep the seam allowance direction towards the outer side, that is black fabric. Set the crease with your nail. You can also iron the crease. So I have folded and ironed the crease. Now I'll attach the zipper, and for that I'm using zipper foot. Just open up the zipper. Place right side of zipper on this black fabric like this. Place the zipper teeth on the stitch line, and now I'll make a stitch. So I made a stitch and this is how it will look from the front side. This stitch was just to secure the zipper in place. Now I'll make another stitch as close as I can to the zipper teeth. Push zipper teeth outwards with the help of your finger and make small stitches. I'll make stitch till this point. Just make back and forth stitch to secure it. So I made a stitch and this is how it will look from the right side. And now similarly I'll stitch the other side. Firstly I'll secure the zipper, and this time I'm making stitch from bottom to top. And now I'll make another stitch along the zipper teeth. So I have attached the zipper. Now I'll finish the bottom part of the zipper. As you can see, length of zipper is more than the required. So I have to trim it, and for that I have taken this piece of fabric, fold it by half, keep the unfold side in the upper direction like this. And now I'll make a stitch on the bottom and this side of the zipper. So I made a stitch, and as you can see, I made side stitch only on the fabric. I have not included zipper in it. Now I'll trim the fabric and I'll trim the zipper. Now turn this fabric inside out like this. Fold the seam allowance inwards, and now I'll make a stitch to secure it. So I made a stitch, and this is how the zipper bottom will look. So I have attached the zipper, and you can see how finished it looks from both right and the wrong side. Now I'll show you how to attach zipper on the bodies part, and for that I have cut out the bodies. Here I have kept ½ inch of seam allowance on the unfold side. Now I'll cut the bodies from the center, and now I'll mark and cut the neckline. Starting from this line, I'll mark neck width 3 inch. Neck depth is 6 inch, including ½ inch of seam allowance. Again mark neck width point and join these points. I'm making round shape neckline and I'll cut it out. And now I'll attach the zipper. Just open up the zipper. Place right side of zipper on the bodies. Match zipper teeth with the seam allowance line, and now I'll make a stitch. I'm using contrast color for zipper and thread so that you can see all the steps properly. Still, if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll get back to you. So again, I made this stitch to secure the zipper. Now I'll make another stitch closer to the zipper teeth to secure it. So I made a stitch, and this is how it will look from the right side. Now similarly, I'll attach zipper on the other side. So I made a stitch. Now another stitch closer to the zipper teeth. So I have attached the zipper, and this is how it looks. I have overlocked to finish the side of the zipper and the fabric. Now I'll finish the bottom of the zipper. And again I have taken the piece of fabric, fold it by half. Keep the unfold part on the upper side and make a stitch on the bottom and the side. Here I'm making stitch on the zipper, so I've kept stitch length on my sewing machine at 3. Now I'll trim the extra fabric and I'll trim the zipper. Now turn the fabric inside out. And make a stitch at the bottom to close it. So I made a stitch and this is how it looks. Here I can attach the bottom part. So I've attached the zipper and you can see the finishing. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. Do share your reviews in the comment section and also your suggestions. What would you like to see next? And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.